Hey there, Jelly Beans. Me, John, come back at you for another review. Oh my! If you know what I mean, Jelly Beans, yeah! Alright. Today, I will be trying out new TGI Friday chicken sliders. Oh, yes! Alright. Hot and delicious from the microwave. Alright. Cook thoroughly. Keep frozen. Seasoned white chicken. Yeah. Seasoned white meat. Chicken zesty marinara sauce. And creamy provolone cheese. And a mini sandwich bun. Oh, yeah. Alright, I'll be back because I gotta go in the micro for a couple minutes. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright, Jelly Beans, I am back. Alright, here we go. Here's what the TGI chicken sliders look like. I got two. I have a milkshake with me. They're still steaming. To me, it's not enough cheese. I like my stuff cheesy, so I'm just gonna bear with it. It looks alright. It's hot, and I don't mean spicy. It's just hot because I didn't take a bite of it yet. So I'm going to take a bite of it right now. Just to let you Jelly Beans know. Wow, that's amazing. How good that is. It's very good. I like that. Very good. Very, very surprised. Oh, I'm sorry, Jelly Beans. I'll give you this one to smell. Smell it. Just open your mouth and shove it right on there now. I can't do that. You're on a camera. Silly Jelly Beans. What are you doing? Alright. That is extremely good. I like that a lot. So good. Alright. Milkshake would like to take a bite. You want to take a bite of that, baby? She took a bite. Her mommy and daddy's gonna be upset with me because they said no more people food. But Uncle John, you know, Jelly Beans, I gotta share. I don't like eating in front of people or dogs. If you know what I mean, Jelly Beans. Alright, let me get the other one. So good. I like these a lot. I give these a 5 out of 5 Jelly Beans. Oh yeah! No. Chicken slider. Most of my cheese melted all in a paper towel. You gotta cook them for a minute. 60 seconds. But I cooked 2, so I cooked them for 2 minutes. Not even 2 minutes, so I cooked them for like a minute and 30 seconds. Oh yeah, if you know what I mean, jelly beans, yeah! I'd say 5 out of 5, right? The sauce, marinara sauce, is pretty good. Cheese is good. Doesn't taste like provolone though. Oh wait a minute, that's right. It's a creamy provolone, so it won't taste like regular provolone. It tastes creamy. It's very good though. How many times can I say that? Right. Come on, milkshake. Come on up. Everybody wants to say, come on up. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. If you don't get up here, I'm going to take the last bite. People want to see. Come on, get up here. You're not shy any other time. Alright, here we go. Come on. Come on. Alright. Everybody, I'm going to milkshake gets the last bite of that one too. Well, thank you all for watching. If you like, please like, subscribe, share, follow me on Facebook. Link is down below. Like I said, TGI Friday slaughtered chicken Parmesan sandwiches. 5 out of 5. Jelly beans. Oh yeah. See you later. Have a good day. Peace.